it will enable people living with dementia to be as independent as possible for as long as possible and be able to go out. But just if you see somebody looking a bit confused, then it's you can intervene. Just have a look on it. It says, tap your phone to get me home. Tap it with your phone. It will tell you what they call that person, just the first name. So you can talk to them and call them by name, and then there are 2 carer numbers on that you can ring and just explain where you found that person. Feel good that we're starting it in Wakefield. I'd like to see it national. Yeah, it's not there yet. We've got a lot of promoting to do. We've been working with West Yorkshire Police, and I think this is the first time it's in Yorkshire.
So we was approached by Memory Action Group. It was an exciting opportunity to really ensure that those living with dementia across the local community had as much support as possible in place. So we offer dementia care within the hospice. We do 3 days a week, as well as an outreach service, but this just felt like another way for us to be able to expand on our services and our way to make sure those living with dementia across Wakefield had as much support in place as possible. So the trial for it went really, really well. It was just the funding and the awareness that we then needed to boost it. And so we secured funding through a grant from Nova, which has really helped us to be able to push the campaign much further afield, raise the awareness of it, and hopefully reach out to more families who could really benefit from these devices. Around us, there could be anyone living with dementia, and our hope with these devices is that even if you don't know someone living with dementia, you can keep an eye out for the device and know what to do if you see one. They're really, really simple, little tags, badges and wristbands, and if you do see a device, you can scan it, see a person looking vulnerable, you can scan it and help reunite them with a loved one. And it's got a huge opportunity to make a real difference to local people. We'd just like to thank everyone for their support with it so far, and we're really looking forward to rolling them out and getting as many people aware of ReUnite devices as possible.
If we can support initiatives that are going to keep people safe, we want to be part of that. First hand, having had a parent who suffered from dementia and losing them, the panic that causes for families and the distress that causes for families, you can't even explain. But what it does as well is it involves so many other people like healthcare, police, friends, family, neighbours, who are all out looking for that person, when really, by having something as simple as that watch, you can locate them at all times. So this piece of kit is absolutely fantastic.